High quality audio is what immerses us into amazing videos. And honestly, for me, figuring out how to capture high quality audio is something I've always struggled with, but recently I've been doing a ton of research and learning a lot about the world of audio. And so today I teach you guys my solution to that problem. What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here. And first of all, if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for checking it out. If you're into filmmaking, gear, tips, tutorials, all that good stuff, this is the perfect channel for you. So definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. But as I mentioned before, in this video, I want to take you guys through my solutions to capturing high quality audio. Now, as most of us know, the audio that comes straight into camera or with the built-in microphone from cameras normally isn't that great. So what that ends up meaning is that we need to use some type of microphone system in order to capture high quality audio. Now, when it comes to picking that microphone, there are tons of solutions. There are small shotgun mics, big shotgun mics, wireless lavalier mics. You have giant boom microphones, and then you have what is now become my new favorite tool for capturing audio, and that is a Zoom recorder. Now, the particular Zoom recorder that I use is the Zoom H6. I've actually had it for a long time, but never really used it to its full potential. And so now that I've actually learned it and studied it, I want to teach you guys a little bit about what it can do. Now, when you get your Zoom recorder, the first thing is that it comes in this amazing case that allows you to actually have everything you need right inside of it. First thing that I always like to tell people when they ask me about my Zoom recorder is that it has two primary functions. It is a microphone and it is an audio recorder. Now, you can use those things separately or you can use them in tandem. Inside your case, you're gonna get these two attachments that come with it. Now, the nice thing is that there are multiple attachments that you can buy to go alongside this as different accessories, but basically these attachments work as microphones. You just simply plug them into the top of the Zoom recorder, and there you go, your Zoom recorder is basically a microphone. The thing I like about this is with these different attachments, they are designed for different situations. For example, this one here is really good for capturing ambient noise. It captures pretty much everything around it, and it works really, really well. However, this one here is really good for capturing things directly in front of it, and is actually what I use when I'm shooting my YouTube videos, just like this one. No matter which attachment you use, it also comes with this really nice foam screen that you can put on there to help cut out some wind noise, as well as some of those popping sounds you get when you say certain words. Now, the other way you could use this is you could run a different microphone into it, and that is the way I used it for a very long time. Because this thing has 4 XLR inputs, you can run 4 different channels of audio into this recorder at the same time. And the nice thing is, let's say for whatever reason you actually needed to go up to 6 channels of audio, you could with a little attachment that you can buy that actually gives you 2 more XLR inputs. Everything sounds so good going directly into the Zoom. I've not only used it to capture vocals like in my YouTube videos, but I've also used it to capture just ambient sounds or just extra audio that I wanted to add into video productions that I've been working on the side. Video is immediately enhanced when you start adding in things like sound effects and having that high quality audio to go underneath it for someone's voiceover or things like that. But what I normally find is that when you can capture that audio on site and it's real audio from wherever you're at, it's hard to find sound effects that match things perfectly, but if you can bring a recorder and actually capture that audio while it's happening, that audio normally turns out to be so much better than anything you can find online. Because this thing captures audio so well, there are so many different ways that you could use it. Not only for using it for video, I can also easily see myself using this thing to capture audio for a podcast. I could easily see myself using this for voiceover work. I mean, the uses of this thing can go on and on and on. And in my opinion, it is by far the most important audio piece of gear that I have in my arsenal. Now, don't get me wrong, this thing is not great for every situation. I mean, if you're in a closed-off area where you're not gonna have a lot of additional audio, then using this thing as a microphone is great. However, if you are in a very busy place or if you find yourself in a noisy environment, using things like a lavalier mic might work better for you. Or obviously, if you're gonna be vlogging, using something like the shotgun mics by Rode is an amazing choice as well. So there you have it, guys. That's how I capture my audio. If you thought this video was helpful, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you have additional questions about any of the other microphones that I talked about, leave those in the comments down below. I'm doing a series right now on all my YouTube gear that I use, so make sure you check out those other videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.